YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. How y'all doing today? T-Gang in the building, what up? Why am I so loud? That Cameo 4 behind me is doing some work while I'm working. In today's video, we're going to be pressing Grizzly by Nature sweatsuit. This will probably be a two-part series, seeing that it's going to be a little bit long, and I want to explain a few things. All that and more after the intro. So loud, that Cameo 4 behind me is doing some work while I'm working. It's going to be a little bit long, and in today's video, all that and more after the end of the video, Grizzly by Nature. This job in particular in the colorway. I like that. That's the red fans say. Hey, white things that can elevate your business or bring more money. And there's one that accidentally slipped in there. I haven't got it out. Sublimation on top of which is a disc. It also has a 3M backing, so it can stick to the actual foam. So I mentioned there's a few materials I was going to talk about before I actually got into the video or into the Grizzly by Nature. Hey, y'all like that? That's the red colorway. I believe you seen the black and gray colorway the other day. But for this job in particular in the colorway, I'm going to be using ECONOTRANSFERS. I'm using ECONOTRANSFERS white, and I'm going to be using this camo. I like to call it white snow camo. And simply because the garment itself has the same camouflage. Hold on one second, I'll grab it for you. And I'm not the match king, but I'm gonna say, hey, we matching, y'all. This is gonna go together like bread and butter. So some things that can elevate your business or bring more money to you is selling other items other than clothing. And what I have here are pop stands. Now it comes blank, and there's one that accidentally slipped in there. I haven't got it out, which is a disc that you sublimate on. It has an adhesive that you peel off, and then you can put the sublimation on top of, and it also has a 3M backing so it can stick to the actual foam. So some of the customs that I did get is from Walmart. Were these sweatpants. I believe they were like $7.94, and they're completely black. And I'm sorry the sublimation rolls is in the way, but I'm getting ready to talk about them. So that's what I'm going to use to transform and really make the G-Fit pop with that Econo white camo. And this sweatshirt right here is also from Walmart. And I'm just going to use the white ECONOTRANSFERS on this to put Grizzly by Nature. So as you've been seeing and probably saw, I'm not sure if it was in the B-roll or not, I'll have to check that out. It's these rolls of sublimation paper. They're different size, different lengths, and why did I stack up on so much? Hey, when you first start in the sublimation game, you make all types of mistakes. I knew I was gonna be running through paper, but I didn't know I was still gonna have it a year later. That's the plus about it, getting it in a roll. I haven't try very many sublimation papers like the hammer mill that You Dig used in her video. You dig? And I haven't had a chance to try Crafty's Best, but I'm definitely wanting to try both of those out. So the Grizzly by Nature has already been cut out with the Cameo 4. I designed this on a GIMP program. If you guys don't know anything about GIMP, it's a free studio software that they offer to Mac and Windows. So give it a try. I'm not getting paid from them, but I definitely think it's valuable information you guys should know, especially if you're a beginner. It can help you with your designs, and that's how I designed this. So let's peel this back. And you guys already know my saying. Say it for me one more time.
Weeds like butter, baby.
There's a couple of little intricate parts in here I'm trying to do. Make sure I don't rip nothing. But y'all can see how easy that just comes off. I mean, effortlessly. Yeah, y'all, that's that Grizzly by Nature coming together. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna stamp the top in this episode, and then we'll stamp the bottom in another episode. But quickly, I want to give a shout out to the squad. All Things Style, Jerome from the Valley. It's Christina Valley? I might be saying it wrong. I'm trying to get it together. I'm gonna get all the locations and names exactly the way I want to, in like a good, smooth layout. But Jerome from All Things Style. There's your dig. You dig? My homeboy 12 Going Apparel. Yeah, that intro he hitting. I turn that thing all the way up, so you're gonna boom boom. I can hear that in the background. Say how you feel, cause believe me, he gonna say how he feel. And myself, Mike T's. So let's get into this pressing. 20 degrees, and my press time is for 15 seconds. Now, I'm definitely going to do an overkill press on this because, one, it's a hoodie, and I want to make sure that it's really in there. And for two, you can see that this may be a little bit more than 3 or 4 inches from the collar. So this is the collar right here. As you can see, they got this extra little piece in there. I'm guessing because we're going into the face mask era. Can't wait to see this in the history books. And I have this camouflage border. I don't want the grizzly on the border. So now we're at 4 fingers down, 4 inches down. I really wanted it on the black. So if I had 2 more fingers, God bless me with the right amount of fingers, but if I just had a random 2 fingers there, you see it'd be about 5 inches, 6 inches down. So let's get into this press. So I already did the overkill press. I had took off the carrier sheet. Let's take it up off of the actual platen. And that's how it came out, y'all. Bear with me if it ain't straight, but I'm telling you, this Grizzly by Nature is a movement. Nah, the squad. Now that's a movement. Hit the links down in the description. Join the group today if you would like to get some tips, tricks, and some knowledge to your custom apparel business or to apply to your customer apparel business. At this time, y'all, I'm just have to keep it real. I'm out.